Okay, so we got this situation. The tangents are drawn from the point this to the ellipse this. Okay, so we have to draw tangent from the given point to the given ellipse, and that tangent will touch at point A and B. Okay, so you have to find out coordinates of A and B. Now look at this. So let's try to write down equation of the curve x square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals 1. So it is an ellipse as it is mentioned, and it is horizontal ellipse as its A component is bigger than B component, correct? So it's a horizontal ellipse. Suppose that we have this as the ellipse. Now try to relocate your point P. So who is this point? It is y0. So if it is 0, it will become 3 comma 0, and it is also using coordinate 3. So hopefully that point P will lie exactly on this line, x equals to 3. Now you know this point here, y is 0, sorry, x is 0. If you'll put x as 0, you'll get y as 2. So it is 0 comma 2. So it is exactly here, point P, which is 3 comma 4. Now from point P we have to draw tangents. So you know that it is external point. So hopefully we will have two tangents, one, and then wait a second. Okay, and the second tangent would be this one. We will try to calculate exact one. Now look at this. You know that it is an external point, so we will have two tangents. So we can go through s1 equals t square, correct? So if we will go with s1 equals to t square, don't you think that we will be in trouble? Because in this case you will have pair of tangents, and that pair of tangents will be combined one. So you have to factorize to get independent tangents, and then you have to solve independent tangents with the given curve to find out those point of intersection. So first point is this, second point is this. Suppose that it is A and it is B. Okay, so how we should approach? So look at this. Do you know that if we will talk about AB, look at this. Who is AB? Exactly, it's chord of contact. Chord of contact. So how we will write down equation of chord of contact? Exactly, very good. T equals to 0. If we will do T equals to 0, we will get chord of contact. Now you know that point P is 3 comma 4. So go for it. So it is x1 plus y1, and then so this thing done, this thing. So we have x plus 3y equals 3. So we got our chord of contact. Now if I will solve chord of contact this with the curve this, so we will get point of intersection of the chord of contact and the curve, and things are done. We want A and B only, so we will solve this thing. So look at this. From here, can I say that x will be equal to 1 minus y, 3 times 1 minus y, and let's substitute this value in this part. Okay, so we got 3 square as 9, 1 minus y whole square by 9 plus y square by 4 equals 1. So this thing done. Let's multiply both sides by 4. So we will have a square plus b square minus 2ab plus y square equals to 4. Correct? Now let's simplify this one. So it is 4y square and then one more y square. So it is 5y square. Now look at this. This thing is 8y and we don't have other y component. So minus of 8y. Now look at this. This is plus of 4 and this 4 will come this side. So it will become minus of 4 and it will get neutralized. So can I take y common? So we will have 5y minus 8. Okay. So can I say that we got two values of y and that is 0 and 5 by 8. I'll write down here. Okay. So y is 0, y is 8 by 5. Now suppose that y is 0. So in that case what will be the value of x? Okay, suppose that y is 8 by 5. So what will be the value of x? Now we can substitute value of y on this curve as well as this curve. So I will choose this one because I don't want to find out squares. Okay, so if y is 0, then we will have 3, x is 3. If y is 8 by 5, so it is 1 minus 8 by 5. So it is minus 3 by 5 and 3 is waiting outside. So it is minus 9 by 5. Okay. So minus 9 by 5. So we got both the coordinates minus 9 by 5 comma 8 by 5 and we got 3 comma 0. Okay. So we got our two coordinates A and B. So this part is clear. And let's move on to next part. We have to find out orthocenter of triangle PAB. Okay. So let's try to write down equation or let's try to draw a diagram of this triangle. So P was 3 comma 4. Then A was, I'll give this negative. X coordinate of A will be negative. Okay. Minus 9 by 5. So can I say that it is minus 9 by 5 comma minus 9 by 5, 8 by 5. Okay, and then we have B. Who is B? 3 comma 0. Now look at this. We have to find out orthocenter. Now try to understand what is orthocenter. So orthocenter center is intersection point of altitudes. Correct? So we will drop two altitudes and we will try to find out its intersection point. Now look at this. Can I say that the equation of PB is x equals to 3? Correct? So the line which will be perpendicular on x equals to something will be y equal to something. Correct, na? So let's drop perpendicular line to this one. So it will have y coordinate as 8 by 5. Correct? So can I say that this equation will be y equals to 8 by 5. So we got our first equation of line. Now I will draw perpendicular on this line. Okay. Now I want to find out equation of line perpendicular to AB passing through point P. Okay. So if both lines are perpendicular, can I say that product of AB into product of P, let's say it is PQ, would be minus 1. Now look at this. Now try to find out slope of line AB. So 0 minus 8 by 5 upon 3 plus 9 by 5. So we got our first line. Now slope of MQ. So can I say that y minus 4 x minus 3 equals to minus 1. So this minus and this minus will be neutralized and we will be left with 8 by 15 24. So 24 and then y minus 4 x minus 3 1. Okay, this correct. Now we got y minus 4 equals 3x minus 9. So we got y as 3x plus 3x minus 5. Okay, now we will solve this line with this line and we will get point of intersection which will be represented by orthocenter, correct. So let's simplify. So it is 8 by 5 equals 3x minus 5. So let's simplify. So 8 equals to 15x minus 25. Now 25 will go that side, correct. So it will become 33 by 15, correct or wrong. Now can I say that x will be equal to 11 by 5, correct. So required point will be what? It will be 11 by 5 comma 8 by 5. Okay, so this is your orthocenter. I hope the idea is clear. Now the equation of locus of the point whose distance from the point P, let's find out that point P. So who was point P? Point P was hopefully 3 comma 4 and the line AB. So who was line AB? Let's go with the line AB. AB was chord of contact and it was x plus 3y equals to 3. X plus 3y equals to 3. Okay, so we have to find out locus of the point which is equidistant from P and the line AB. So let's say it is suppose that point Q is h comma k. So the distance of QP and this line should be same. So can I say that root over h minus 3 whole square plus k minus 4 whole square equals mod point satisfaction upon root over a square plus b square, correct. Now we have to solve this thing and we will get the required result. Okay, now let's go through it. Let's simplify. What I'll do, I'll go with squaring both side. Okay, so we got a square plus b square minus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab equals a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab h 3k plus 2ac means bc and plus 2 times ac h minus 3 and then this will become 10. So I'll multiply both side by 10. Okay, now let's rearrange things, and I'll replace x with h with x and k with y. So 10x square plus 90 minus 60x plus 10y square plus 160 minus 80y equals x square plus 9y square plus 9 plus 6xy minus 18y minus 6x. Okay, now let's rearrange things, means let's write down everything in standard form. So I'll ask x to come this side, one side. Okay, so 10x square, 1x square gone, so we will be left with 9x square. Now I'll be going through 10y square, so here also we will have 9y square, so it will become only y square. Now I will go with xy, so only this component is having xy, so minus 6xy. Okay, now I'll be going with x, so this is x minus 60x and then minus 6x, so minus 6x will come this side, it will become plus 6x. So can I say it is minus of 54x? Now I'll be going through y, so this 18y will come this side, it will become plus, and here it is minus 80y, so can I say that it is minus of 62y? Now we have constant number, we have 9, 60, 160, 90, 160 and 90 will become 250, 250 minus 9, so it will become 241. Okay, so this is the required locus. I hope things are clear and you guys are handling well. If you will find any kind of unique questions, please put those questions in the comment box. We will try to take those illustrations in upcoming sessions. Okay, stay connected and upscale your preparation level. Okay.